One more, girls.
Welcome back. Holy Shatzarillo. This week's vlog, video, and life for me is gonna be wild because I am going on a yacht, like a super yacht. I don't know if it's technically a super yacht. I don't really know the definitions of like yachts, mega yachts, and super yachts, but I am going on a private gigantic yacht with 30 of my nearest and dearest friends and family members because it is my sister-in-law's 50th birthday. And I have the world's greatest sister-in-law, or future in-law family, because not yet engaged. I'm so lucky to have them, not just because they're, you know, treat us to these amazing experiences all the time, but because they're yes people and because they are so good. My sister-in-law in particular is so good at bringing together human beings. I have been so lucky. I've had to do almost no work for this friendship group of like 30 plus amazing humans because she does all the work. She brings us all together all of the time and plans these amazing experiences and trips and dinners and traditions and things with all of us. And so we've all been so lucky to have this amazing friend group that has been created because of my sister-in-law. And so this is going to be probably the most extreme and extravagant thing I've certainly ever done. And I think that a lot of us have ever done. But it is her 50th birthday and they've done very well for themselves. And we all get to benefit from this amazing overseas excursion that we're going on. So we are going to Croatia for this yacht experience. We're gonna be traveling all around. So she did give us an itinerary, of course, in true Cheryl fashion. She's outlined all of the human beings that are coming and given us all nicknames. I am the documentarian. And then she also gave us the outfits that we are to be wearing in the evenings. Is this extra? Yeah, it is. Do I appreciate it? Yes and no, because A, I am not a fashionable human being. A bit of a scramble and panic to find all the outfits. I did have a hard time, okay? I tried to online shop, ended up at the mall last night and hit the jackpot. It's like a Christmas miracle, okay? I found the best outfit for white night. Look at that, sneak peek. Didn't actually know that shopping could be so much fun. Anybody gotten like a little bit high from shopping before? Because I think I'm experiencing euphoria. Because I don't do a lot of it. At any rate, I've got all of my outfits. I've cleaned up as much stuff for work that I possibly can. And so we are about to leave in like T-minus 1 hour. Obviously, this is a life at a 10 style trip. It's a true bucket list trip, but that doesn't mean that it's automatically going to be amazing and wonderful, because I think people can take awesome experiences and make them absolute garbage with their shitty attitudes. And then people can take not great situations and then turn them into 10 out of 10 moments in life. But one of the things that I think could be a little bit tricky with traveling with 30 people for me is I really want to make sure that I'm connecting deeply with these people, because it is so incredible to get to be on a ship with 30 human beings that you love, but it can also, I think that intensity of humans, you can do a lot of just like surface stuff with everybody and not go deep. And I don't like surface stuff. I like going deep. So my 2 missions, number 1 is to connect deeply with all these human beings. Number 2 is to make sure that my sister-in-law feels the love and reverence that we all have for her, but in particular that I have for her. So I've actually made a video montage of her life, and I'm so excited to be able to screen this for her. And then the third thing is I want a little romance with Chad. Those are my missions. Those are my 3 missions. Group chat has been popping off. There are already people that are in Europe, so we're getting their messages. They've arrived earlier out of the 30 humans, but 17 of us are on the exact same flight. I was able to buy a first class ticket on our points, so I'm pumped that we get to travel in style and luxury. Everybody's in their Ubers on the way to the airport, sending their Uber photos. We gotta get in the car right now and go. It's happening. Oh, never mind. Oh, there she is! doing? Oh, 3. Here we go. Ah, yes. The signature suites.
Pretty sure that demographic that comes to the signature suite doesn't say the demographic in a word. Signature suites. It's like, tell me you shouldn't be at the signature suites without telling me you should be at the signature suites.
That's the Alpha Mario.
No way. This is the boat. Thank you. Sorry. So good. Oh my god. I like this area. Bonus room. Wow.
Cheryl has a bed.
Oh, we have Cheryl's Yacht Club. Oh my gosh. I had to have a nap because I was feeling like a real piece of dog dick. I'm up now. I'm gonna unpack my things. We're moving and we are gonna be parking and we're gonna go swimming soon. I'm in the theater room of this vessel, and I guess tonight's the night. It's night 1. We're gonna be having dinner and then gonna come down and do the video that I've prepared for my sweet, beautiful baby sister-in-law, Cheryl. I don't know why I said baby. She's a touch older than me, and it's her 50th birthday. Very excited. So I'm gonna set up now, get all that shit configured. Okay, I got it all set up. Ready to go. Ready to go. I can't wait. Let's see if we can show you a little sneak peek of this outfit, okay? One of 5 outfits that we were assigned. Tonight is Italian summer. Here's mine. Oh, adorable. Look at you. Look at me. Oh, let's see more Italian summer. Turn around. Yes.
Dude, look at that. She's got the sultry eye going.
She sure does.
Just relax. There's a lot of
Are we ready?
Hello, I'm Anthony Robart. Breaking news. We are just learning that Sharon Maudlin is celebrating a major milestone. Sorry. Forgive me. Sherry Muldoon.
You look so young and beautiful. All of my favorite childhood memories are with you.
This without looping, crying.
day 2. Might have slept till 12:30, and now we are heading on a boat, a secondary boat. Wow. Jesus, Jiminy! No, not going in it. Oh my. Oh God! Oh God! Wow.
Out of the sea. Wish I
Could be part of that world. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have so much to debrief on. Let me just take you out to this beautiful. Look at that. Okay, also, let's just take a gander at this outfit. The theme is nautical. Look at that.
Gabby Tan, love it. Point of, what did you call it earlier today? I think it could be that guy.
The can doesn't turn red and get this black.
Donnie Marie, everybody!
Cause I need somebody who will stand by me. He took my heart in his stride. Oh, friend, why you so sad?
Hi everybody! I'm here to tell you that you guys are all part of a flash mob. This is a tribute to Cheryl, to her favorite song, Gloria. This is your assignment. You are going to learn this dance. Goes like this. Step together, step, back, step. Step together, step, back. Double clap?
No, I just made a mistake. Kristen, this was yours. Or Allie. Everybody!
Chad! Guess what? We're sharing. We're sharing, Chad.
There's a big deal. One big.
You're gonna finish the song.
No problem.
I think we're on day 4, but this place that we're at is the cutest place I've ever seen in my life. It's 9 a.m. It's the first day that I've actually gotten up at a regular time. Chad is still sleeping because it has been late nights. I am going to go explore the town. had a lovely evening last night, as usual. Wonderful conversations. It was fantastic. It was fun. Loved it. I'm so excited because I brought my laptop back out here and I'm going to sit with my coffee in the most beautiful of places on planet Earth. This may be one of my favorite scenes of all humanity and time. Is just this.
I hope they get it on camera. Swivel this. The camera swivel.
Yeah, it swivels. Anyway, swimming, jumping in the gorgeous sea is one of my favorite things of life. Everybody's in their costumes, but hidden so that nobody can see their outfits.
You will walk down, you will reveal your costumes. Michal are judging your costumes.
Just sit right back and you'll hear the tale of Gilly Green's crew. 7 slightly overconfident with far too much to prove. We're Gilly Green!
Beautiful, beautiful.
Come let me walk alone. 7 foot, 8 foot punch. And you all going
Whoever can tread water the longest while smoking a cigarette. I know, and you can do that. You're an artist. Oh, damn it, we forgot. On your marks. Yes, sir. We're headed to a fish farm. Let's go, Lauren.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone.
Alpha Mario.
Alpha Mario.
Today is the final day of my week as a professional partier. We have our final night tonight, which is white night. I have a fabulous outfit. Take a gander. What do we have here? Look at the detail. This might be my wedding dress.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Kristen. Right down the middle.
Yeah. From the bottom of my heart and everybody here, this has been the most amazing 7 days of our lives. Thank you so much.
Thank you!
Cheers to all of you.
So I had 3 missions at the start of this journey. Number 1, to connect deeply with all of the humans on board. Number 2, to make Cheryl feel special and important and have her know how special and important she is. And then number 3, to have some romance with Chatty. Mission number 1, I'm killing it, okay? If I dare say so myself, I feel like I'm killing it. I have had such amazing, connected, deep, wonderful conversations with so many people on board. So very proud of myself for that. Mission number 2, the Cheryl mission, getting to screen that video was a highlight of my life, I think. I absolutely loved getting to show her existence and how freaking fantastic she is and what she means to everyone and how special and important of a human being on planet Earth she is. I feel like she felt that. In addition, the flash mob that went down, I think showcased that. The merch of the Share Bear t-shirts, I think all of it. I think she is feeling very special. I hope she is. And then the romance. Yes, Chad and I have been having lovely, connected, wonderful times. As a recap, doing well on the missions. Now, this wasn't a mission, but it was something that I was quite excited about with my newfound love of shopping. I think if there was an award for most improved in the fashion category, I know, hands down, I would be winning this.
So there's someone in the group.
She can barely hold her smile.
Someone has really proven himself to be the best dressed woman or man on the boat.
We've been waiting for years for this moment.
Exactly.
Finally happened. We're all witnessing it.
Look at her. Look at her. Fabulous.
Fabulous.